there was a press conference by so-called Congress leaders, Shri Agnel, Fernades and others, and allegation is put on me that I have received kickbacks from JICA. The present work which is going on in Kalangut, that is sewerage network. I want to remind Shri Agnel Fernades that he could not take up this work of JICA, sewerage network. He was MLA of Kalangut for 10 years, and I think 10 years are so, he has wasted of the people of Kalangut, Kandoli Baga who are staying in that area. He has wasted their years. He has not done any development. The same Shri Agnel Fernades wanted to give this land to Ecotel hotels. A file was moved, tender was floated, everything was done. He was the MLA that time. We objected. I, as a block president of BJP, objected at that particular time. We brought the people out and said this land is required for parking and other recreational facilities. They have not taken up any work of development in Kalangut constituency. We have taken up all the work. People have seen our work, and people have faith on me that is why all that JICA work is going on. JICA work started in my tenure. 10 years back, Suresh Parulekar, when Suresh Parulekar was the MLA, the estimates and all the plans were prepared to do sewerage network in Kalangut, Kandolim Baga. And now he is putting allegation on me that I have taken some bribe or whatever. I want to remind Shri Agnel Fernades that these works were tendered, but nobody had the guts to start the work. There was always a dispute between Kalangut Panchayat and Shri Agnel Fernades. And my government has started the work. I have started this work. The work is on completion stage. There is a FIR filed in a crime branch. Investigations are going on. Who has taken money? It will come to light. So my full backing was there for JICA to complete the network. The tender, the work order was given at my just before I could become MLA, but the work had not started in the last government's tenure. We have started the work now when I became the MLA.